All right, why is everyone buying this ergonomic office chair? It's flying off the shelves on Amazon. It's selling over 2,000 units per month, and it's being rated extremely high. Has, as of the recording of this video, has almost 2,000 ratings, super high ratings. So why? I'm going to tell you why. So first off, extremely comfortable. Love the high density foam, the sponge cushion right here, as well as even the padded armrests. There's something about padded armrests that I really love. You got the mesh vibe back here, super comfortable. And it is height adjustable, so that goes down. It also goes up, and it even has like a rocking recliner function. So it reclines, but you also, if you don't want it to recline, you can stop it from reclining. So pretty sweet. The armrests flip up, so you can use it without armrests, whatever you want to do, or you can use it with the armrests. Very sweet. The lumbar support back here, so it can be adjusted depending on your needs, whether you want it lower or higher. And so that comes in handy for a lot of people. 360-degree spin, very smooth wheels. This thing is just extremely comfortable, especially with the number I'm seeing on the page. It should be way higher. This thing's amazing. Just the perfect office chair. You're going to love it. Highly recommend it.